right? You were saying that you are fighting corruption. We have a clear case of a woman who a competent court of jurisdiction are finding culpable.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ara Asaase Ni. I think he was one of the deputy communication directors at the national level of NPP. And I think he also worked at Ghana Gas, I believe. Has hinted, say NDC and Shea, one of the biggest ever held demonstration is going to happen live and colored. And it's going to be titled Ara Asaase Ni demonstration. And I always strive to remind our friends in the NDC about the record of NPP when it comes to demonstrations. So far in the history of this country, this nation, the biggest turnouts in demonstrations have always been organized by the NPP. Mention them: Kumi Preko demonstration, Dumso demonstration, Let My Vote Count Alliance demonstration. Big numbers, huge numbers. And I doubt very much, say, His Excellency John Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, would want to take such a risk or would want to call our bluff. Because we are not bluffing, it is serious business that we mean. Serious business. Do not take us for granted. Now, what about Baimo? And your belief has been that some individuals have taken money that belongs to the state or have shortchanged the state. And you believe that we needed to go after those people, recover the money, and use it for projects that will benefit Ghanaians. That is the message you came to Ghanaians with. And Ghanaians agreed to it. Not knowing, instead of oral, no. Now, your first phase, Okal. Now, Okal ni Operation Clear All Looters. Now, Obiti said the former director of SNIT that has been involved in causing financial loss to the state to the tune of almost $66 million. And as a more court, the state, through the Attorney General, has had evidence, right? Which evidence they've provided to the court. And upon all this, you come and you withdraw the case from court. As if that is not enough. Saglemi project. You said you were going to build 5,000 housing units. You ended up building something around 1,500. And you paid the contractor up front. You paid the contractor $198 million. When we followed up to ask the contractor, he said he received less than $60 million. Which means that some individuals have stolen a whooping amount of $130 million. And Collins Dauda was involved because he was the Minister of Works and Housing during that period. So this man is being prosecuted, and you who claim you want to do away with corruption, you quickly go and clear the person, withdraw the case. Now you think that you have the moral right to come and chase anybody who has worked under Akufo-Addo.
Right? You were saying that you are fighting corruption. We have a clear case of a woman who a competent court of jurisdiction are finding a culpable, say, or the dream account mine is sick and Japadi and a print plan. Make a charity begins. I will mean and a be a friend and a chimensa.
Where did he come
say Okuja travel akwa did you alright him. On a foreign minister. Uncle said in Amra. Uncle
okay, Maslog boss.
Yes, Uncle Nimra. That's the first thing. Okuja travel so your man enough say obe fight corruption. First assignment. I the man. Uncle fact said in Nam Fanemra. On Fanemra. Or the bar o megina yanuna yenjeli no near hese. Omwe you ready some fight corruption. What I say, they cannot pass the probity and accountability and social justice test. They have no moral right whatsoever. Go and see happening. Also, we are Ora, fighting corruption. And Krofua cases were high profile cases in what clear in a knowledge possible. And now we fighting against on a year anywhere world war do one. And we could black the propaganda and Krophobia loot to the state until they are going after them. Na omu justify a court court why you see dealing with that case no you left it at they should also bring the Airbus matter back because it's part of the state institutions nyoma esi o mine mu a ye Ghana for ya dwini bi mu ye say ye small man penny bi so nkoto alu pre ho nyoma mra ema mu yira e man the former president Atamil Sano a former president set investigative committee etia ono the sitting president yo it uncle for Olaf uncle for Airbus matamra then treat all the corruption cases are supposedly that is there and yes sir yeah NPP for yeah more to make.
And then you think we as a party we will sit down and watch you do that because you are the most handsome guys we've seen yet, or you are the most beautiful ladies we've seen yet. Debut. When you call for equity, it must be with clean hands. Whether the person is in NDC or in NPP, they must not take advantage of the state, of the scarce resource that the state has. They must not. And it's for that reason that we support every politician that takes it upon himself or herself to fight against corruption. Because frankly, let's take $130 million US that has been stolen from Saglemi project. Do you know the number of schools he could have built? Number of modern JHS primary schools he could have built? More than 300 of them. More than 300 modern primary and JHS schools, including even senior high schools, TVS schools. And one person has pocketed it in NDC. And we are quiet. You clear that person, and you are telling me that you are going to prosecute National Cathedral. What bodam? Obi a osi oral. Baye juma biano ebia we Jimmy. Eshan say, ade na 58 million National Cathedral no. And also saying $130 million US. You see, Ghanaians gave you the chance to prove to them that you are in for serious business. You are in for their interest. And what are you doing? You are blowing off all of that chance because you want to be partisan. Partisanship is what is destroying this nation. Yes. Partisanship is doing this nation a lot of harm. People are no longer loyal to motherland Ghana. They are more loyal to their parties than motherland Ghana. And it's because of some of these things that our politicians are doing. Especially NDC politicians. I don't just know why they can't stay true to their words. NDC, you can't stay true to your words. If you indeed believe Collins Dawuda, the former director of SNIT, the current governor of BOG, and all the rest, if you truly believe they are innocent, why not wait for the court to come out with its verdict? Why the hurry? Why are you in hurry to clear them to withdraw the cases from court? When billions of Ghana cedis have been lost, and you think now you come and turn your attention against NPP. And Akufo-Addo's government appointees. You are joking. You try it. You people should just try it. Try it. Try it. Enough is enough of all this. Enough is enough. You are not ready to prosecute your people, but you want to prosecute other people or people on the other side of the divide. Now, Kujeto Ablakwa, you are the foreign minister now. Foreign minister. Look for Sedinam Temekulu. Bring her back to come and face justice. Look for Sedinam Temekulu, foreign minister Kujeto Ablakwa, who claims himself or carries himself that he is the chairman of ORA. Find Sedinam. She alone stole more than 100 million Ghana cedis. Bring her to come and face the law. A competent court of jurisdiction has found her guilty. Her accomplices are currently in prison. If indeed you mean to fight corruption, let it start from your own house. From NDC. And even you, Okujeto, we must know where you get your money from to pay your rent. That is the only way we will be able to tell that you indeed want to fight corruption. Until then, do not touch any member of the NPP. Do not try it. Otherwise, yen Ara Asaase Ni demonstration will happen live and colored. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.